Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we'll be looking at 1000 trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, how you can make your $1,000 trading boom and crash. Okay, that is what we'll be looking at in today's video. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video so that you will understand every steps highlighted in this video in order for you to achieve this successfully. But before going fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the Forex niche. Okay, feel free to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you dive into your real account. That is very important. The main essence of these videos, of the training videos, for you to make some money for yourself. Okay, so, and if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So let's go straight into what we have for today, which is $1,000 trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, this is the way it works. Okay, so quickly, before we will achieve this, let me quickly say this in case you're thinking of how you can achieve this in a day or overnight, then you might be wrong, because this is not a get rich scheme. Okay, this is a trading platform and it's real business, and you need to treat it as real business. Okay, so you can easily achieve this if you want, and you can also take your time to grow your trading capital if you are having a small trading capital. Okay, apart from having a very good trading capital, there are some other things you need to put in place. Okay, and those things are you having you using a very good lot size with your that will be enough, or that will be good enough for your trading capital. Okay, then another thing is you having a very good trading tool that will help you to do your analysis within minutes, a trading tool that will be able to highlight your support and resistance level, a trading tool that you will be able to know your trend of the market, the trend of the market by looking at it, and a trading tool that will allow you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, all these are very vital and important, and once you are able to achieve this, then you should be able to put all these strategies together in order to make some money for yourself. Okay guys, if you guys are wondering what I did in order to make $4,000, for those that missed the video, I did a live training video. You can see $4,000 in 30 minutes. If you missed it, then you can go back to the channel and watch it. Okay, this is it, $4,000 in 30 minutes. Okay, if you guys are wondering how I achieved that, then you need to watch this video to the end. Even if you cannot achieve $4,000 in 30 minutes or even in a day, you can think about achieving $1,000. And even if you cannot achieve that in a day, probably due to the capital or wherever, for instance, if you are having a small trading capital, then I don't expect you to think in this direction. I don't expect you to see yourself achieving $1,000 in a day or thereabouts. Okay, I was having large trading capital. That was why I was able to achieve this, and I have every other things in place. Okay, that was why I was able to achieve that. Okay, so if you're having a small trading capital, of course you can achieve it, but not with your small trading capital. The next thing you need to do is to think of how to grow your trading capital into something reasonable so that you will be able to achieve something like this. Okay, so I want you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Sorry about that. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video and subscribe, okay? And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. Like I said, okay, in order for us to trade successfully, to achieve this aim, we need to put all these into place, okay? So let's go straight to this trading platform. On the trading platform, I will be using this QDC scraper indicator, okay? That is the indicator you are seeing on my system right now. If you should check it out, I picked up a trade. You can see the tiny line. You can see it. This is where I closed it. You can see I closed it here. It was a very long trade, right? Because I traded the trend. Okay, you can see this is where the trend came to an end. I traded the trend. That was why I closed it here. Okay, so you can always do this over and over and over. You can see this is where I came in around here. Okay, so it was going down. I knew the trend would be changing very soon, and it's changed and it's went down for a very long time, and I milked the market successfully. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So let me quickly explain to you how I've been able to understand that a trend is starting somewhere here and I can milk the market for a very long time. If you are having small capital, it is possible for you not to follow through to the rest of the trend, and you can also follow through if you are using the controlled lot size. Okay, if you miss the the video on the controlled lot size, then you can come to the channel right here. You can see best controlled strategy for growing small accounts. Okay, you can come there and watch that video. That video will help you to use the control lot size to build your trading capital, and you can use it to trade for a very long time. Okay, if you are using the control lot size, you can also follow the same strategy even if you are using a very small trading capital. And this is what I do. The first thing I try to do is to understand the market, okay, which I already know, and also to know the trend of the market. Okay, all I had to do is to wait for the trend to start. Okay, the trend will show me a drop down arrow here. Okay, so I know that I should be getting ready to go into the market. So I placed my order. Remember, I'm having my chart on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I placed my order, okay, right here, and it started going down and it was going up also, and it went down till it got to this level. This long trade that I took was on spike trading. You can see that I was trading the drop down candles. Okay, I was trading the drop down candles. Okay, so you can do that for any of them. Okay, and you can be in the market till the end of the trend. This is the trend, okay, and the end of the trend is somewhere here. Okay, you can see the uptrend arrow here. So all you need to do is to come here and put the and close your trade on this candle. Okay, so you can be in the market right from here, and close it down here. Okay, you can see how amazing this opportunity is. Okay, you can see how amazing this opportunity is, and close it down here. Okay, let me quickly show you this. Okay, each time you are trading within a trend, there will always be a pullback. Okay, check it out. It came down, went up again, and still came down. Like I said, once the trend is not once the trend is yet to change to the opposite direction, then definitely, even if there is a pullback, it will still go back down alongside with the trend. Okay, so this is when it came to an end. Okay, this is when the trend ended. So all you just need to do is just to close your trade around here, and this is amazing. Can you imagine the number of candles created here? Okay, can you imagine? Can you imagine? So you can do this for a very long time. You can do it for a very long time and make so much money with it. Okay, let's see how we can apply if the same strategy will work with normal trend. This is boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500 also on 5-minute time frame. Check it out. This is the beginning of the trend, so you can always come in here. Okay, okay, that's the beginning of the trend. So the trend is starting here. You can always place your order here, but check it out. It went down for a very long time and closed and the trend came to and end somewhere here. Okay, so you should close your trade right here. Check it out. That was a very long trade, isn't it? It was a very long trade. Okay, this should be your entry point, then your exit point should be down here, right here, right here. Okay, your exit point should be right here. Okay, isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So you can see that with that you can milk the market successfully. So let's try and do some calculations right now so that you guys will understand the way it works. This is 5 minute time frame. Let's say we decide to place our order right from there and trade it till this level. Don't let us go to the end of the trend. Let us just stop here. Okay, this is giving us 166 bars. Okay, 166 bars. Let's do some calculations so that we guys will understand, you guys will understand the way it works. Okay, 166. Okay, we're going to multiply it by 5 minutes because we want to break it down to 1 minute candles. Okay, that is about 830 1 minute candles. So that is about 830 minutes. Okay, we can do the division, okay, to know how many hours we spent in the market. Okay, that is 13 hours. Being in the market for good 13 hours in profit. Isn't that amazing? So that is just the way it works, guys. That is just the way it works. Okay, let me do the multiplication again so that we will know what we stand to gain. Okay, let's say I'm using 0.5 lot size. Okay, let's say I'm having a very good capital and I don't want to overuse the lot size, so I'm using 0.5. Okay, 0.5, that means I will be earning about 50 cents per minute times 830 minutes. Okay, times 830 minutes. So let's see what we stand to gain. You can see that even that alone is giving us $415. That is if you are using 0.5, which is a very small lot size. If you have a good trading capital, can you imagine having $415 in a day? That is a lot of money. And remember, that is not the end of the trend. Okay, just from a single order. Okay, from a single asset. What if you have such order on each of the assets, like boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500? Okay, you can see that. Let's say we are multiplying this by 4. Okay, that is giving you $1,660. Okay, guys, this is not for those that are having small trading capital. Okay, the calculation is not for those that are having small trading capital. But of course, even if you are having small trading capital and you are using the controlled method, you will still be able to cut your own pearl out of it. Okay, you will be able to cut a piece of it. Okay, and make some money for yourself, and gradually you can grow your trading capital into something reasonable, and at the end of the day you make so much money with it. Okay, wow, guys, this is why I love this indicator, because it makes it very easy for me to do my analysis. I don't need to wait for a very long time before I will know where the direction of the market is going, where my entry point should be, and where my exit point should be. So I'll be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.